This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a dryer that is not drying very well. It takes a long time for the clothes to dry, and also there's a lot of condensation that builds up on the glass window of the dryer. And this is indicating that the moist air is not able to get out through this dryer vent tube. So I've disconnected the dryer vent tube from where it goes out of the building, and we're just trying to figure out what's going on. I got a suspicion that it may be crimped. So when I turn it on, I'm just getting very little airflow coming out of there, pretty anemic. So in this case, you could get the dryer out from behind the wall and see if it's crimped, but it's a little bit tricky to get it out. It's kind of a confined space. What I'm going to do instead is just reach in with my arm inside the vent tube, because it's only a couple of feet to where the dryer is, and I'm going to use my fist to just expand out the tube where it's crimped, and that should solve the problem. So it should be pretty easy to do. And I'm pretty tall. I'm 6'4", so I got a good distance for my reach. The trick is that the vent tube does contract, so you can push it in, get your arm in a little closer to where the right angle turn is. That's where the crimping is going to be. I can feel it, and then what I do is I just get my hand in there, and then my hand is straight, and I clench it up into a fist so it expands my hand, and that then makes that tube more round again. So this is kind of an unusual circumstance, because normally you just get a new vent tube or just fix it and put it back on, but since it's so hard to get to the dryer, this is maybe even a faster, unconventional way to do it. So just reaching in with the arm, getting to where I'm near the dryer where the crimping is happening, and then just expanding it out. Hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.